Hey, yo guys, welcome. Take you guys up on FreeCodeCamp, and let's start learning JavaScript for beginners. Okay, I'll walk you guys through the process of doing this in case you guys are already doing it, but you have no help, like, and when you're stuck, right? So this will be the perfect video. Um, each day I will do about 5 or 6 or maybe 10, right? Each video 10 of those problems that we're gonna do. Lessons, let's just say lessons, okay? Now let's get started with JavaScript. JavaScript algorithms and data structures, okay? Now, as you can see, I'm not signed in because I've already finished this course and I cannot reset it, okay? That's why. Now let's start with the first one. Let's see. We have as basic JavaScript, we have 113, and then ES6 29, regular expressions and debugging data structures, basic algorithm scripting, object oriented programming, functional programming, intermediate algorithm scripting. Okay, now if you guys want to go ahead and do these, it's fine, but I'm not gonna do those yet. I'll be doing basic stuff, and then if you guys are interested in this course, right, you want to progress to this more and want to do more of these, then we can go ahead and think about it. But first of all, I'm gonna start with this, see how you guys like it. Okay, start with the first one. Comment your JavaScript code. So if you want to go ahead and read these, go ahead. But there are basically two things. So this is a multi-line and this is an inline comment, okay? One line. Now let's just do something like hello world. We can go ahead and comment this out, or we're gonna give like a direction, okay? This will run the code perfectly, okay? Perfectly. We could go ahead and put that, and that's a comment right there. But what about if you have like a lot of comments you want to do? Like, let's say I have a dog, right? And then I have a car. I have a house. Okay, if you want to go ahead and do this like each one, you can, but it takes longer, right? If you know you're gonna comment these out, you just go like that and end it like that, and there you go. We have the comments, and we can run and test it. We got it good. Go to the next challenge. Okay, this one is declare JavaScript variables. If you want to go ahead and read this, go ahead. We have, so it says JavaScripts provide 8 different data types, okay? Undefined, null, boolean, string, symbol, bigint, number, and object. For example, we have number 12, the strings, this, or this, okay? We tell JavaScript to create or declare a variable by putting the keyword var, okay, like this. Now it wants us to do create a variable called our name, okay, and create my name. Look at our name above, okay. This is the direction here. You should declare my name with variable keyword ending with a semicolon, okay. And we want that name because it's telling us my name is Win, okay, semicolon, and this is optional. Semicolons are optionals, okay, but here no, they want it to be there. Okay, you should declare my name with a ending with a semicolon. Oh, you don't want to set it yet. Okay, we don't want to set it yet. We're just declaring and run it. We're good. Okay, go to the next challenge. Storing values with assignment operator. What is that? Okay, this is the assignment operator. We have this example here. My variable equals 5, and this assigns number 5, right? Um, okay, now let's go ahead and read this. You should not change code above the specified comments. Okay, above. We're gonna do below. A should have a value of 7, so we can do that. 7. We enter. We're good to go. Okay. Now, what does this want to do? Assigning the value of one variable to another. So we got this variable, and then we set it equal to 5, and then we're calling var. We're making a new. We're declaring a new variable called my num, and my num is equal to my var. And if you look at my var, we have 5, so my num would equal 5. Okay, now you should, okay, b should have a value of 7, so b should have a value of 7. Now that's easy. We could go with b equals a, and that will equal 7. Okay, let's go next one. Initializing variables with assignment operator. We got this. It says create a new variable called myvar and assign it initial value 0. Okay, define a with var and initialize it to a value of 9. Okay, now that's what we're supposed to do. We go var a equals 9, and I don't think you need, yeah, we don't need semicolons. Okay, declare a string variables. That'll be easy, just like this. A string has quotes around it. Okay, and if you want to take a look at the examples, you can, but I already know what to do, right? And let's look at the direction here. My first name should be a string with at least one character in it, and this one, let's just go one by one. Okay, var my first name equals when, let's do that, semicolon, my last name equals John. Okay, yep, now we run it, we got it. Let's go to the next one. Now this one, understanding uninitialized variables. Okay, now let's read this one. When JavaScript variables are declared, they have an initial value of undefined. If you do mathematical operations on an undefined variable, your result would be none, which means not a number. If you concatenate a string with undefined variable, you will get a string of undefined. Okay, now we know that. Initialize the 3 variables a, b, and c with 5, 10, and im respectively, so they will not be undefined. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, the reason why they're talking about it is because they don't have any values. Okay, that's why they're undefined. Okay, and this right here, it's already assigning this operation right here, a plus 1, that would equal undefined because it's already undefined. You are adding something that doesn't exist. Okay, it's not 0, but it doesn't exist. It wants us to go ahead and set them here. Let's go with 2, and then it wants 5. Okay, sorry, 5, 10, and I am A. And we go ahead and run it. That's complete. Understanding a case sensitive in variables. Okay, we have case sensitive. Here examples. This and this and this. Okay. Steadily cap var should be defined and have a value of 10. Okay, this one should have a value of 10. Okay. Should be, proper camel case should be defined and have a value of a string. Title case over should be defined and have value of 9,000. Okay. So in this case, we need to put this in the camel case. Okay. We gotta do study proper camel case. Okay, the first one, camel case is the first letter should always start with lowercase. Okay, camel case, and then we go ahead and do study cap var, steadily. Okay, and this one we could just go ahead and copy this, and then title case, have those steadily. Okay, 9,000. Yep. A string. Yep, we have those. Should use camel case in both declaration and assignment sections. Yep, think we got that right. Proper camel case should use. Yep. Okay, we got those. We run it. Defined a value of 10. Where we have that. Didn't we have that? Steadily cap. Let me see, it's not defined, you say? There we go. I spelled something wrong. Okay, should have value of 10. Should use camel case in both decoration. That's what we did. We did have a value of 10. Okay. Value of 10. What is this? You want 10? Oh yeah. Duh. Okay. Now that's my bad right there. Now we got something like that. Should work now. Run it. Good. Explore differences between the var and let keywords. Okay, now let's explore this one. This is exciting. One of the most biggest problems with declaring variables with the var is that you can easily override declarations. Okay. Now, what does this mean? Let's go ahead and jump this down. Okay. What does he mean by that? Now, let's go ahead and code. Sorry, let me show you. Okay, not React, code pen. Now let me show you what they're talking about. You need to understand what they're talking about. Okay. Okay. Let's go with JavaScript here. Let's go. Let's put it over here. Okay. JavaScript. All right. Now let's see what they're talking about here. One of the biggest problems with declaring a variable with a var is that you can easily override variable declarations. Okay, see, let's go with var and say let's say it's my age. Okay, well, my name, let's go with my name is Win. With my name, you can't change it. Okay, you cannot change my name unless I say so. You cannot go ahead and call me different names because I choose to go with Win. But in this case, if you're using JavaScript, you can go with var, another name, I mean, you can go ahead and use the name again and change it to John Doe, right? Okay, John Doe. And let's wait first. Let me comment that out. Console.log. Let's see what we're talking about. Name. Okay, we have Win. Okay, now let's put John Doe. We got John Doe. Now name is no longer Win. It's John Doe because I change it. It reads from top to bottom. First it reads this. Okay, now it reads another variable. Right? It has the same name, same variable name, and it changed the value. So that's what they're talking about, overriding the same variable. We don't want that. Okay, and let's see, let. If you replace var with let in the code above, it will result in error. Okay, let's do that. Let and let. Let's see what they say. And then identify name has already been declared. Okay, that's the difference between let and var. It won't let you repeat the same variable. Okay, now let's see, cat name should be Oliver, cat sound should be Mia. So we just need to change it to let. That's it. Let's go to the next one. Declared a read-only variable with a const keyword. Okay, this is read-only. What do they mean by read-only? Read-only is you cannot reassign the value of pet. Okay, now let's see, const. Like, let's go with var first. Oh no, okay, we'll pass var. Let's go with let. Okay, now you could do that. You see, we can reassign it, but we can't declare it. We can't declare the same name. Okay, that's the difference. Now we can reassign it. You even using let or var. Okay, we got John Doe again. Now let's change it to const. It's gonna result in error. Okay, assignment to constant variable is not allowed. This is constant, means read only. We can only read this, we cannot reassign anything to it. Okay, that's the difference right there. Okay, now let's look at this. The var should not exist in your code. You should change FC to all uppercase. Once that, let's change it to const, and then he said the string assigned should not be changed. Okay, fact should be declared with let. A reason why we want, so let's look at this one. Fact should be declared with let. Do you know why? Look at this. Why do we do that? It's because we have reassigned it. Okay, we have reassigned the value. That's why. That's why we have it as let or var, but we're not using var, due to the fact that if we redeclare fact again, it would override it, remember? So because of that, we tend to forget about var. We just use let and const very regularly. Okay, to all caps. Wow, what just happened? It did work, right? Go to the next challenge, and this should change to all uppercase. And we did that. We run it. You should change, should be constant, right? With const, got it. The string assigned to should not be changed. We did that. We did all that. Oh, FCC, the naming. My bad, y'all. Okay, let's run that. We got it. Okay, add two numbers with JavaScript. Now this is fun. Number is a data type in JavaScript which represents numeric data. Okay, now let's try to add two numbers using JavaScript. This is what we're adding, const plus. Now has the value 15. So change the 0 so that the sum will equal 20. Okay, this is easy. So we could add another 10 and run it. We got it successfully. Subtract one number from another. This is very simple, you know, it's just math. The difference should be equal to 12. 12, let me see if I got my math right. 30, that would go 33. Let's see. Okay, we got it. Multiply two numbers with JavaScript. Yeah, this is very simple. Alright, change the 0 that will go 80. So we just change it to 10. And then divide one number by another with JavaScript and change the 0 equal to 2. Now, this is difficult. Is it 22? Yo. I'm not good at math, y'all. Come on. Wow. Okay, I'm not good at math, okay? You don't need to do math, but 66 divided by, oh, okay. Now let's see. Let's do times. Okay, we're gonna do when I do 13 times Ooh, 3 times 6. Yeah, it was 33, right? I thought I got it right.
Wow.
But never mind. Increment a number with JavaScript. You can easily increment. We add them by 1, or this same thing. Change the code. Should be equal 88. Should use plus plus. Okay. This would equal to this would equal to 88. Now let me show you. Okay. Let me show you my var. 88. So if I add this to 89, it would be 90. Okay, it would. The code goes from top to bottom, so it's gonna read this. Oh, I see my var. Oh, what I see next? There are many lines, but it ignores all these lines. Okay, it's gonna look at this next one. It says, "Oh, we're adding 1 to it," and console log, we got that. Okay, that's how it works. Go to next one. Decrement a number. So this is decreasing. It will be the same case. We're decreasing from 90 to 88. Should be 89. Oh yeah, 88. From 89 to 88. Okay. Same thing. There we got it. Now I want to create a decimal numbers with JavaScript. My decimal should be a number. Okay, const, because we're not changing it. The reason why I'm using const is because we're not changing it. We're just reading the value, okay? Now that's the difference why we use let and const. You use let only when you wanna change the value later. So it wants decimal to 5.7. Okay, we got it. Multiply two decimals with JavaScript. Change is so that will be 5. 5 will equal to 5. And this is making me crazy. We do 3, that's 6. We do 2, that's 4. 2, 4. Hey, I got it. Wow. Okay, we're doing decimal stuff now. Change the 0 so we're equal to 2.2. Oh. Okay. We're doing 1, I guess. Oh! That's crazy. 2. It would equal to 2.2, so that would be 4. 42. Wow, 44. Why did they have to make me do math here, man? The remainder operator. But okay, this is different. Okay. The remainder operator gives the remainder of the division of two numbers. Okay, makes sense. 1. So it's gonna explain here. 5 divided by 2 equals 2. The remainder is 1. Okay, it's just the remainder. Oh, I'm not really good at math. Why are they doing this to me? Set remainder equal to 11. Okay. Divided by 3 using this operator. Okay. The remainder should be 2. Okay. Compound assignment with augmented addition. In programming, it is common to use assignment to modify the contents of a variable. Remember that everything to the right of the equal sign is evaluated first. So we can say my var equals my var plus 5. So it is adding 5 to my var. Or we could do this instead of this. Okay, it would mean the same thing. Now convert the a, b, and c to use that. Okay, instead of a equals a plus 12, that'll mean like 3. Okay, we set an a is already equal to 3. Okay, a plus 12 is 15, and we want to assign it to this variable. Okay, we want to assign it to this, so we do take this off, same thing, and then it doesn't matter which way it is, and then run it. There we go. Compound assignment with augmented subtraction. Same thing. Okay. We do that. We do that. And then we do this. Easy. Go next one. It's gonna keep doing all the same thing. Division as well. Using this. Run it. We're good. It's gonna do division as well. Don't worry about like spaces. If you want to go here, that's fine. But it's more like standardized to use spaces, you know, so it looks clean. Now this one, escaping literal quotes in strings. Now you can escape quotes from considering it as an end of string quote by placing a slash. Okay, we have this. Peter is learning JavaScript. Now what does this do? Use backlashes to assign a string to my string. You would see I am top quoted string inside double quotes. Okay, we need to use this one. Need to assign it here, and we need to use backlash. Okay, we'll do that. Say I am a string, double quoted string inside double quotes. Okay, only if you're using double quotes, but I can show you another way if you want to know. We have double quotes. Okay, there's gonna be quotes in double quotes, and we could just use single quotes to change everything. Same thing. To make it easier, why using all these backlashes? It's just stupid to me, okay? It's just taking longer. But yeah, we gotta follow the rules. There we go, guys. Bam. Quoted strings with a single quote. See, I just went over that. We could just let it go like that. Okay, we're deleting all these backlashes, it says. Okay, and change it to a single quote. Bam. Oh, forgot this one. There we go, you see? We got it. Escape sequences and strings. Single quote, double quote, backslash, new line, new tab, carriage return, backspace, form feed, whatever this is, should not contain any spaces. My string should contain the first, second, and third line. Remember. It's gonna go like this. Assign the following 3 lines of text into the single. Okay. Should not contain any spaces. Should contain the string's first line. Oh, where's the first line at? Thought I got that. First line, second, and third. Skip sequence to insert special characters correctly. You will also need to follow the spacing as it looks above. Okay. Now, we want it like that, and we want to have a new line. New line. I don't really use this, guys. I don't know what the hell this is. Backslash. It needs to have a backslashes. The third one needs to have a right here, new line, and down here Should have a new line. Another new line, old line, third. Let's see what this output. Okay, run it. Should not contain any space. My strings. It doesn't want space, huh? Oh, tab, yeah. Tab. Second line should. Wow. New line. Wow, that was painful, but we did it, guys. Concatenate a string with plus operator, like this. Okay, we're combining two sentences together, two codes. I come first, I come second. Should have this is the start, this is the end. We need these two. My string. You should assign the result to. We could do that. To assign it. Okay, there we go. Run it. Should have a single space character between two strings. It needs a space. There we go. That's easy. We can also use the plus and minus operator to do this. Exactly the same thing, but in different way. You can assign this to this. Use double quote. I'm used to using single quotes, and then you can do my string plus and minus equal to that. We run it. Simple. Concatenating, constructing strings with variable. Okay, this is variable. This is strings, okay? This variable comes from here. Set my name to my string with my name between my strings. My name is, and I am Will. Okay, this is what they want. Set my name to a string equal to your name. Okay, my name string they want to do is this first one. First one, we want to put my name in between. That's what they want. And then they want this last sentence here. And I am well. Let's see what the outcome is. Maybe I'm going too fast, but let's see what the outcome will be. Let's go like that. Go my string. Say, my name is Wayne and I am well. Or we could call John Doe. My name is John Doe and I am well. And we can console log my name. Okay. My name is John Doe, so that's John Doe. And we got both the strings from first, starting and ending. And then we add in my name in between this. That's variable right there. Since we got that, we go ahead and run it. Go to the next one. Appending variable to strings. So right here, we got a string. We got another variable with another strings, and we're taking this variable and then append it to here. Okay, we're just putting them together, and this is what it equals to. Okay, as you can see, this one comes first and then this one, or vice versa if you want to append this one to here. Appending means adding it to the end. Okay, what does this want us to do? Set some adjective to a string at least 3 characters. Learning to code is what? It's fun. Now, some adjective should be set to a string. Okay, you should append this to the end of this. Okay, by using that, we can do that by doing my str append it to some adjective. Run it. There we go. Boom. Alright guys, this is where we're gonna end things, and we'll come back for it next time. If you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, go ahead and comment down below, like the video, share it, and say if you guys want to see more of this. Go ahead and comment down and say, hey, I want more of this, and it's pretty helpful. And also give me a feedback of how to improve this. How do you guys want me to go about this? You want me to go in depth to show you different examples of the same problems so you get to understand more about it? You know, this is for beginners, and if you guys think this is helpful, click the like button, subscribe, share it to your friends, comment down below, and let's become a coder. You know, that's it guys. Have a